Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahra Aulia Putri with my last ID number 067 from class 2 2024U. On this occasion, I will discuss one of the world's most influential leaders, Margaret Thatcher. In this video, I will briefly explain Margaret Thatcher's biography, her leadership journey, the leadership style she used, and the reasons why I admire her leadership style. So, check this out. Margaret Thatcher was a British politician who served as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom from 1979 to 1990. She was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and one of the most influential leaders of the 20th century. Thatcher was born on October 13, 1925 in Grantham, England. She came from a modest family. Her father was a small shop owner who was active in local politics. From a young age, Thatcher was known as a disciplined, ambitious, and highly educated person. She studied chemistry at Oxford University before eventually entering politics through the Conservative Party. Her political career continued to flourish until she was finally elected Prime Minister of the United Kingdom in 1979. Due to her decisiveness and courage in making decisions, she was nicknamed the Iron Lady. During her leadership, Margaret Thatcher implemented many major policies that changed the economic and political conditions in the United Kingdom. First, she carried out massive economic reforms. When Thatcher took office, the UK was experiencing an economic crisis and high inflation. She implemented economic policies that emphasized reducing the role of government in business, privatizing state-owned companies, and promoting the free market. These policies became known as Thatcherism. Second, Thatcher was known for her firm stance in dealing with conflicts. One example was during the 1982 Falklands War between Britain and Argentina. Thatcher made the decision to send British military forces to reclaim the territory. This decision boosted her popularity as she was seen as capable of defending the country's sovereignty. Third, she also dared to confront the powerful labor unions in Britain at the time. Thatcher carried out reforms to limit the power of labor unions, which were considered to disruptive to economic stability. Although her policies were controversial, many believe that these measures helped improve the British economy in the long term. In my opinion, Margaret Thatcher's leadership style most closely resembles an autocratic leadership style. An autocratic leadership style is one in which the leader makes decisions decisively and doesn't rely too much on input from subordinates, especially in situations that require quick decisions. Margaret Thatcher demonstrated this style in various policies. She was known as a leader who was very confident in her stance and wasn't easily influenced by political pressure or criticism from other parties. An example of this was when she continued to implement economic reform policies despite facing significant opposition from labor unions and some members of the public. In addition, during the Falklands War, Thatcher also made quick and decisive strategic decisions without much compromise. These decisions showed that she was a strong leader, willing to take risks and capable of leading in a crisis situation. It was because of her firm and thorough attitude that she earned the nickname Iron Lady, which describes her strength and determination as a leader. One of the reasons I admire Margaret Thatcher's leadership is because of her decisiveness and courage in making big decisions. She led Britain during a difficult period but remained brave enough to make changes that she believed were necessary to improve that country's condition. In addition, Thatcher also showed that women can be strong leaders in the world of politics, which at that time was still very male-dominated. She was able to prove that leadership is not determined by gender but by ability, courage, and decisiveness in making decisions. In my opinion, leadership traits such as decisiveness, courage, and consistency in pursuing a vision are important qualities that a leader can emulate. It can be concluded that Margaret Thatcher was one of the most influential female leaders in world history. With her decisiveness, courage in making decisions, and commitment to her vision, Thatcher was able to bring about major changes to her country. For her leadership, we can learn that a leader must have courage, decisiveness, and consistency in carrying out their vision and goals. That's enough from me. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.